Next few minutes, I'll be talking about career opportunities in IAF. This talk will be mainly focused towards the ground duty, that is technical branch, but the other ground duty branches also will be covered in this presentation. First of all, why you want to join Indian Air Force? What are the thing you will get in the Indian Air Force? While you select a career in IAF, you will have get the added advantage of your career path. That is leadership qualities. When you join as a technical branch, you'll have always people working under you. There will be followers. Therefore, it becomes essential that your growth in terms of leadership quality increases. And also, we have a good communication skill because people from different states join together. And therefore, it becomes essential that you communicate in English. Your knowledge, speaking skill in English is enhanced. And also, you get an opportunity to work in a team. Teamwork is always promoted, and you'll have a group of people available working with you. So, you always culture, nourish a teamwork, and also goal attainment. And also, you have a challenges in terms of maintaining the old equipment, the new induction of equipment. Therefore, it becomes essential that it's always a challenge that you always need to deal with. As I mentioned, when you have a new induction and also enhance the potential, increase the efficiency of the existing equipments, the continuous training, upskilling is a part and parcel of the career in Indian Air Force. You get a good social environment, you have a good cultural diversity because people from different cultures are going to work with you. You can understand their cultures. Of course, fitness becomes an essential part as a part of military person. And of course, the intake salary in terms of freshers is good at Indian Air Force. Now let's look at the eligibility. If you want to become a pilot, you have to be a graduate at the age of 20 to 24 years. And at plus two level, you should have completed physics and mathematics. That is the basic requirement. The other ground duty branch, you have to be in the age group of 20 to 26 years. When you talk about technical, when you have a circuit branch, we call it aeronautical engineering electronics. The other is aeronautical engineering mechanical. Of course, you have non-technical branches like admin, accounts, metallurgical, etc., logistics, etc. So, what is the selection process? You have what is called Air Force Common Admission Test. The one is common for all ground duty branches. That is 2 hours test, 100 questions, and 3 marks each. The total marks becomes 300. For technical branch, you have a special test, what is called EKT, Engineering Knowledge Test, that will be about 45 minutes. I'll have 50 questions, 3 marks each, and become 150 marks. If you opt for a flying branch, you would undergo a computerized pilot selection system. Of course, in all these tests, if your answer is negative, you will be deducted 1 mark. And also, flying branch, you got the opportunity to join to Combat Defense Service Examination through UPSC. If you are an NCC certificate holder, then 10% of the seat is reserved if you come through CDSC or Permanent Commission, and for 10% in OFCAT for SSC. There are two commissions. One is Permanent Commission, still superannuation. That's applicable only for male. And Short Service Commission is applicable to men and women of 14 years of service you can do. Of course, the starting rank is flying officer. Now, the Air Force Selection Board. That is stage one. After you clear the AFCAT, then you will be called for stage one. That is the first day. You will be undergoing intelligence rating test, picture perception test, discussion test. If you are able to qualify, you will be retained to go stage two. Otherwise, you will be sent back home. The stage two will be a long period that will be for 4 days. You will undergo what is psychological test, individual task, group task, and interview. And it will stretch for 4 days. And if you clear that stage two, then you'll go for medical fitness, and then you go into the merit list is compiled throughout India. Then you have to come through the merit list. If you get through merit list, then you will be asked to report the training center. As a technical officer, your initial training, basic training will be 22 weeks at AFA, Hyderabad, and remaining 52 weeks training will be at Air Force Technical College, Bangalore. As per the new scheme, if you do complete the training successfully, you will be given a MTech degree by Viswanath Technical University, and after that you will be given a commission. What are the other facilities you get to in the Air Force? You have medical facilities, free medical facilities. You have annual leave. You have a canteen facilities. You have a travel concession. You have a accommodation at a concession rate. Of course, you also, if you are a permanent commission, you will get a pension. So let us look at what is some of the insight. What you will be doing it actually as a technical officer. You will be employed in a fighter, transport helicopter. You will be also have opportunities to work in missile system, air-to-air missiles, surface-to-air missiles, shoulder-fire missiles, and also you will have, as an engineering officer, you will be asked to take care of the specialist vehicles. It will be hydraulic vehicle or pneumatic vehicles, or it could be refuelers or missile system vehicles, all comes in the category of specialist vehicles. And also you will be responsible maintenance of weapon in terms of what is called bomb dumps, where the storage takes place in terms of weapons, missiles, rockets, bombs. The storage and maintenance is also a responsibility of technical officers. If you're an AL officer, you will be asked to look after radar and communication equipment. It's used in the air traffic control systems, otherwise radar units, then you will be responsible. Let us briefly look at the organizational structure. You have a headquarters located in Delhi, and based on the geographical locations, you have Western Air Command, Eastern Air Command, Southwest Air Command, then you have Central Air Command, then you have Southern Air Command. And based on the functional aspect, you'll have a maintenance command and training command. Maintenance command located in Nagpur and training command located in Bangalore. And also the wing will be classified into having number of squadrons. So there's a basic input about the brief, the induction system, Indian Air Force, and also what is the organization structure, what are the benefits you get when you join Indian Air Force, and wish you all the best. Thank you.